Celery is a good choice of diet. It has numerous health benefits. Some of the health benefits of celery are it heals and activates the gut by restoring hydrochloric acid, which helps to digest food faster and more efficiently. So celery juice can help lower blood pressure, can help in weight loss. It has a lot of water. It can help keep you hydrated for a very long time. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make celery juice. Even if you don't have a juicer, you're going to learn how to make celery juice with a blender. Now to make your celery juice, I'm going to start by rinsing the celery. The celery looks very greenish, looks very fresh. So because it's coming directly from the farm, it has a lot of sand, so you will need to rinse this thoroughly to get rid of sand and some debris. Celery juice helps lower blood pressure. It has natural anti-inflammatory property and it's good for you. Okay, I just had to take my time to rinse these. Okay, after washing this, I'm just going to cut the celery into tiny bits so I can blend this easily. So I'm going to start from the stalk. Both the stalk and the leaf can be juiced. Every part of celery is very delicious and is useful. Okay, so once done, I'm going to blend this. I'm going to transfer this to the blender. To the blender, I'm going to add in just a little water to aid in the blending process. I'm now going to blend this into a smooth consistency. Okay, so once I'm done blending, I'm going to strain this right away. Okay, let's strain this right away. I'm just placing the strainer over a pitcher. I'm just going to use a spoon to press the pulp to release the juice. Celery juice helps to dissolve fats in the liver. Once I'm done straining this, I'm going to discard this. Once I'm done blending this, there's no need to add any sweetener, just serve it directly the way it is. However, you can add apple, lemon or ginger to your celery juice. As for me, I'm just going to serve this the way it is. Look at that greenish look. I love this juice. This is very healthy for your overall health. So friends, your celery juice is ready. Taking 2 cups of celery juice every morning in an empty tummy helps to break down and dissolve fat cells in the liver. So I'm going to be enjoying this right away. This is amazing. It's really delicious. I love the taste of celery juice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really love this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like my video and share with your friends. Until next time, bye.